Okay, so we're getting rid of Renelle's hiccups here because they're hilarious.
My hiccups. I think they're gone. Right while we
Oh,
record. Oh, they're gone. They're still here. That was kind of scary. I thought I lost him right when we recorded. It's like 11:53 and my parents are asleep. Yeah, we're trying to get rid of them right now because I've had them for 3 minutes.
Is that long?
No, probably not. Like 2 minutes, 2.5. But they hurt. Like.
Okay, so we're gonna attempt to help her get rid of them.
Yes.
Hold breath. Swallow. Swallow. Okay, you're fine. Let's see if it works. See if it works.
Hello.
Here. 2 full spoonfuls
of sugar. Dry. Oh my gosh, that much sugar! I'm going to die of diabetes. Oh. I'm done. I'm done. No more. I'm not eating it.
Would it help you if I did it too? Is it really that bad?
Yes.
How to get rid of hiccups. Oh, I spoke up this on. How do you get rid of stuff.com? How do you get rid of a cough? Ejaculate your hiccups by inhaling right as you hiccup. This will result in a long, loud whoa that will either be funny or embarrassing depending on the environment. After 2 or 4 hiccups should be gone. Okay, ready?
Okay, hi. Oh, we're recording.
Okay.
Oh, what? Okay.
Wait.
Okay, I'm trying the hoo-ha one.
Okay, the hoo-ha.
The hoo-ha. Yes. Does that work?
Is it 2 or 3 of them?
Hi. I feel like they're still. Oh my gosh, did it hoo-ha work? It's a hoo-ha word.
Hoo-ha? You mean a hoo-ha?
Hoo-ha.
Well, we'll find
No.
Nope. Distract yourself. No,
That's
that
not
was
really working.
no. Laugh. Think of something funny.
That's what gave me the hiccups in the first place.
Okay, eat a
Walk like a chicken, flapping your arms, bumping your head.
Do it.
Pecking at something.
Go on, try it.
How does that get?
Okay. Try eating.
That's just embarrassing.
Go get a tablespoon of peanut butter.
Okay, I'll do the chicken one first.
Okay, I'll get the peanut butter. Do it.
Okay. Apparently, if you squawk like a chicken while flapping your arms and bobbing your head as if you were pecking at something, it gets rid of it. Back. Oh no, that is a lie. Don't ever do that. You just embarrass yourself. Don't do it. It's a
Now
lie.
she's gonna try.
That's more than it hurts. I think I'm not going to eat all of that. Get rid of my peanuts. Okay, table.
Okay.
Barking.
A tablespoon of peanut butter. See if it works.
Come on.
Okay.
Are they gone?
No, they're on.
No. Oh no, they're here.
You should eat it all right out.
At one class?
Yeah. Like,
I didn't say that.
like, How many of this have you tried? 4? Okay, so 4 on this website don't work.
Maybe this one is.
I don't feel like hiccuping. Okay, think of the ugliest person you've ever seen. Ever to them naked, rolling naked down a hill, or riding a bike, and slathered in A16 sauce. I don't want to.
I like that one.
Huh?
I like that one. That's funny.
Okay, next week she's gonna try picturing the ugliest person she knows.
Who's the ugliest person I know? I can't think of
think of a really, really fat person.
Fat old man in a speedo.
Think of them. And she's gonna
Rolling
put
in
them,
A1
but
sauce.
without the speedo, roll down a hill covered in A1 sauce. Okay, ready? 1.
I don't think I have them anymore.
We'll see.
I think peanut butter works.
Maybe.
Makeup? Dang it. I was wanting to continue these.
Yeah. She still has them. Okay, let's get a picture. Is that real?
No.
Well, you can just.
Wow, peanut butter works, people. Use peanut butter.